Okay, Prepare NET Online is the best online academy I've ever been to. NUST was my dream for like 6 years. मैं 6th grade में थी and हमारे स्कूल का एक ट्रिप गया career counseling का NUST. NUST is a whole sector and I was so shocked to see इतना बड़ा institute और इतनी मज़ेदार जगहें, इतने मज़े के कैफ़ेज़, इतनी प्यारी बिल्डिंग्स, इतना अच्छा इक्विपमेंट. I was in awe with NUST. फिर business का शो भी था तो और NBS is actually has a very good faculty and NBS is renowned. So I was like NBS, जाना है मुझे NBS. My NET score was 157 और मुझे 30 नंबर का ग्रेड मिला था with taking their course. और NET में you know कि कितना बड़ा difference आता है. Everyone who wants to get into NBS, especially BBA aspirants, they need to enroll themselves now.